Next problem, nulls. Nulls are often a case of bugs as well as performance issues. Anytime there's a null involved, you have to think about how Oracle is going to react. Nulls are strange things. I'll cut short some time on this. We don't want to run short, but take a look at this example here. Again, still in the EMP table. Select ename sal com, salary and commission from EMP. Right. All my employees have a salary. Some of them have commission. Right, straightforward query there. What, however, if I want to know their total remuneration? I want the sum of salary and commission. Right, well, I could do it like this. I could say, select ename sal plus com from EMP. Oh dear. All of a sudden, Smith has nothing at all. What's gone wrong there? It's all to do with nulls. Any operation on a null returns null. And there's the answer. Nice one, Fabio. I have to adjust my code to do this. NVL. Never forget that one. Nulls are often bugs waiting to bite. I've seen so many times applications get through testing, user acceptance testing, all the rest of it, without a single problem. Then it goes live, and all of a sudden, a query or a row is addressed or a new query is written, which uses null in a way that wasn't detected during testing, and poof, everything goes pear-shaped because of the nulls being used. Be so careful with anything to do with nulls. There are also big issues with nulls and indexing, which I don't think I'll cover right now.